Yeah, the man. That's just no. We come.
Okay, y'all. It's currently 11:15 in the morning. We have to check out by 12 o'clock. Kiki is knocked the fuck out. The room's a fucking mess. I don't know how the fuck we finna do it within the next 30 minutes, basically. Chill. My head itch from just thinking about it. Birthday success. Okay, guys, we're out this bitch. Miami don't owe me shit.
Don't owe me a motherfucking thing.
Thank ya.
Bitch, I'm tired. It's fuck. Thank you.
This is our last time. Yeah, we drink. He driving this bus.
This is what I wanted. This is a pina colada. What the fuck I had the other night? Not no pina colada.
Don't put my head in the camera. My lady.
Okay, guys, I got a Caesar salad. Kiki got. What did you get, Kiki?
Steak, potatoes, and some asparagus. And some water.
The same thing. Skirt steak, chimichurri sauce, mashed potatoes, asparagus. Look good.
I need some more ice.
And I got a Caesar salad. You know why? Because I'm watching my figure. Thank you. Have a good night. Yeah, I feel great. Everybody tired. Bitch, I'm still motherfucking going. This is the lifestyle I'm supposed to be living. I'm supposed to be outside every day. Day in, day out. Like, I'm built for this. They not. Stay safe, y'all.
No. Because he's not going to try me. Count me down.
Okay, I like drink with area because area is my mate. I like drink with area because she can take down at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pineapple's big.
Pineapple is big. Just like I like.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. We just left.
My bank got me fucked up. Been on the phone for about 21 minutes now. I don't
Get her shit right. We finna go. Okay, my bad. Jaywalker. We still in Miami. You can be tired on the plane.
I don't want to slow. I want to lay down and go to sleep.
Okay, so you can do that. Then I'm supposed to eat.
Look at my leg.
They didn't realize that their Uber was gonna take them an hour. Almost. It's an hour. A little over
10 minutes. 15 minutes.
A little over an hour to get to the airport. So now they're rushing back. And I'm so happy I said something because they would have been stuck as fuck if they missed that flight. I hate that for them. They're not playing for real. They really running. Yeah, running.
You got no choice?
And it's hot. Hot as fuck.
I'm not running. I'm hot. I love you.
Love you. Be safe. Toodles. Have fun on that long ass drive. Oh, my headphones in there. Okay, y'all. So I just got my food. I got a glass of rosé and I got my food. Thank you. Kiki and them flight got delayed, so they're getting back way later than me. But I'm gonna get some food, have a couple glasses of wine, and then go to my gate because I don't board until like 5 something, and it's 4:34, so I have a little bit of time. First class daddy. Yeah. You got some food? What you got?
Little dinner.
Okay, y'all. So I'm on the plane. I'm bored as fuck. But to be fair, it's the end of my trip. Like, literally, once I get in this Uber, my trip over for real. So at the end of the day, we finna turn the fuck up. I have a glass of wine left. My friend that I just made that's in this seat, he don't need no more, actually. Let me show y'all what's going on. Because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I tried to open up the fucking window blind and I couldn't close it. This shit heavy as hell. Okay, let's look. I love it here. Why was that so loud? Oh my god, they know I'm drunk. Okay, rolling. Okay. Ooh, I'm drunk, y'all. I love Brisky. Thank you.
Catch the ponytail. Thank you.
Okay, y'all. So I just got back to Atlanta. I'm drunk. Trying to sober up for real. Who's calling me? He was calling me. Hold on. Look, some bad
Brandy, what
bitches
you got
finally
going on?
arriving. Thank ya.
Brandy, what the hell do you got going on?
Getting on my fucking nerves, drunk
This
as
nigga
fuck.
went to fucking, what you call
Hi.
it, Burger King. Lady, you, I can see. Why are you still here?
Okay, y'all. Obviously, drunk as fuck. Every on Kiki, not so much.
Not what?
I said, y'all not drunk.
I'm tired.
Not like me. They finna go home and go to bed. I still have more shit to get done.
Closing my shit right now.
Thank you. I stopped drinking once I got off that plane, which was like
baby.
30 minutes. Oh, I did drink also more. It's okay. I'm sober now. Thank you.
I beg to differ.